Ang pangunahing issue nga ginaatubang sa tulo ka barangay ilabi na gid sa panahon sa kaamulan ug ilabi na gid ang mga daghong kalihukan nga ginahimo sa barangay 9, barangay 6 ug barangay 1 mao ang problema sa waste management nga pag mintinar sa kalimpyo. Ang waste management is one of the serious issue labi na gid diri sa syudad sa Malaybalay. Atol sa Kaamulan Festival, labi na gid sa Barangay 1, Barangay 6 ug Barangay 9, misangko ang dakong hagit sa pagdumala sa basura o mintinar sa kalimpyo. Ang pagdagsa sa mga bisita, pagtaas nga kalihukan sa mga negosyo ug ang dagkong kalihukan nga nagpadala sa paglungtad sa mga problema sa basura sa maong lugar. So, during Kaamulan Festival og sa mga big events nga mahitabo sa tulo ka barangay nga included or connected dira sa Kaamulan Festival is nami tulo ka na-identified nga issue. First kay dili epektibo nga waste management practices, which is nakit-an nga nag-awas ang mga basura, mga daot nga waste containers ug dili husto nga paglabay sa mga basura during sa kaamulan ug sa big events. Nga kini nagresulta sa kadaot sa kinayahan ug naghatag og risgo sa mga sa kahimsog sa mga residente ug mga bisita sa giingon nga fiesta. Then, ang ikaduha kay ang kulang sa mga recycling facilities. Kulang ang mga recycling stations o angay nga sudanan sa mga waste segregation, mga basura. Tungod niini ang mga recyclable materials kasagaran masagol sa ordinaryong basura like papel, cellophane, sticks, mga pagkaon like that, nga which is nag-result sa mga contamination o dili epektibong recycling. And ang third dayon kay ang national nga krisis sa waste management. Ang kahimtang sa syudad ilabi na gid diri sa Malaybalay nagpakita nga mas lapat ang problema or additional problem siya nga sama sa pagtaas sa level sa plastic pollution, labi na gid sa mga single-use plastics, kulang sa mga waste collection systems, ubos nga public awareness o partisipasyon sa husto nga pagdumala sa mga basura. Huyang nga implementasyon sa Ecological Solid Waste Management Act or the Republic Act 9003 tungod sa kakulang sa resources o pagsunod sa mga balaod, which is kini nga mga problema nagtinabangay nga mas maglala sa environmental damage labi na gid sa public health o pagdayon sa pagtapok sa mga basura. Og sa among topic or problem nga nakita nami gi-propose nga solution. First kay ang pagtukod og eco zones og waste station. Isa na diri ang pagbutang og color-coded bins para sa mga biodegradable, recyclable o residual waste sa mga lugar nga daghan og tao sama sa food stalls, entrance o performance areas. Second, sa mandatory vendor waste responsibility kay ang i-appeal ang waste management guidelines sa vendor orientation ug maghimo og regular nga inspections. Third kay ang paghatag og incentives or recognition sa mga vendors nga tinud-anon sa mintinar sa kalimpyo ug pagsunod sa waste regulations. So, ang issue nga na-identified namon is nami project title, which is Trash Bins Provisions During Kaamulan and Big Events in a Barangay 9, Barangay 6, and Barangay 1. Keeping Kaamulan Clean Trash Bin Plan for Barangay 9, 6, and 1. And then, the connected offices, agencies, or organization nga nag-implement sa Keeping Kaamulan Clean is first mao ang Barangay Environmental Management Committee or BEMC in coordination with the City Environmental Natural Resources Office, Malaybalay, and Bukidnon Environmental Natural Resources Office here in the city of Malaybalay. Project location, Barangay 9, Barangay 6, and Barangay 1 in the city of Malaybalay, province of Bukidnon. Proposed starting date, March 9, 2026 to March 20, 2026. Project duration, it takes 2 weeks, including the pre-event sit-ups, implementation during kaamulan and post-event of a cleanup. Since kaamulan is dili siya kanang good for a year, good for months lang man siya, that's why 2 weeks lang ang preparation para sa ing-ani nga event. And budget estimated of the project is 90,000 pesos. This budget can be adjusted based on a actual supplier codes like sponsorship or a barangay contribution.
So we discuss about the background of the project. So the background of the project is the main rule is the Trash Bins Prevention Project aims to improve waste management during the Kaamulan Festival in Barangay 9, 6, and Barangay 1 in Malaybalay City. Because the festival attracts large crowds, it often results in excessive waste, littered streets, and environmental issues. To address this, the project proposes installing color-coded trash bins, conducting public awareness campaigns, and deploying eco-patrol volunteers who will guide people in proper waste disposal. So the initiative supports the goals of RA 9003 by promoting proper waste segregation, keeping public areas clean, involving the community, especially youth, volunteers, and encouraging vendors to manage their waste responsibly. It benefits residents, festival goers, volunteers, local vendors, barangay officials, and even future event organizers while contributing to a cleaner and more sustainable environment. So, monitoring and evaluation. So, the project monitoring and evaluation plan ensure that waste management during the Kaamulan Festival is carried out effectively. So, monitoring includes daily supervision by Eco Patrol volunteers, checking the condition and usage of trash bins, inspecting vendor compliance, recording incidents, and taking photos for documentation. After the event, the evaluation focuses on measuring the amount and type of waste collected, gathering feedback from community, surveying attendees and vendors, assessing volunteer performance, and compiling a final report. So, key indicators such as proper waste segregation, correct bins usage, vendor compliance, volunteer participation, and public awareness help determine how successful the project was and what improvements are needed. So overall, this section shows how the project will track progress, measure results, and continuously improve waste management for future events.
Trash Bin Management Plan for Barangay 9, 6, and 1 during Kaamulan Festival. Good day, everyone. This presentation outlines our proposed project, which is Waste Management Project, designed to promote cleanliness, environmental responsibility, and compliance of RA 9003 during Kaamulan Festival. Project rationale. Kaamulan Festival attracts a large crowd which lead to increased waste generation. Without proper waste segregation and monitoring, this can cause population health risks and environmental damage. Our project addresses this issue through organized waste stations, volunteer monitoring, and community education. Project objectives. The main objectives of these projects are to promote proper waste segregation based on RA 9003. It also reduced littering during the Kamulan Festival. Third one is to mobilize community volunteers to the Eco Patrol. It also increased public awareness on responsible waste disposal. K. Project activities. The project will be implemented in 4 weeks. First week, week 1, planning, coordination, and community mapping. Week 2 is procurement, volunteer, recruitment, and training. Week 3, installation of bins, IEC campaign, and festival launch. Week 4, monitoring, waste audit, feedback forum, and reporting. Gantt chart overview. This Gantt chart shows the timeline of activities. Early weeks focus on preparation and training. Mid-phase covers implementation of during Kaamulan. Final week focuses on evaluation, audit, and reporting. This ensures smooth and timely execution of project. Roles and responsibilities. Key stakeholders include barangay officials, which include planning, coordination, and enforcement. City of Enro, technical support and waste audit. Eco Patrol volunteer, monitoring and public guidance. IEC team, information, dissemination, and awareness campaign. Resources and constraints. Resources includes human resource such as officials and volunteers, physical resources like color-coded bins and signage, financial support from barangay funds and partners. Constraints includes limited time before the festival, budget limitation, volunteer availability, low public awareness on waste segregation. Budget summary. The total estimated budget is 90,000 allocated for trash bins, signage and IEC materials, volunteer kits, training session, logistics, monitoring tools, and contingency fund. This budget may be adjusted depending on supplier quotes and sponsorship. Gender mainstreaming. The project promotes gender equality by allowing equal participation of all genders in Eco Patrol, encouraging women and marginalized groups in leadership roles, using inclusive IEC materials, ensuring safety and accessibility of waste station. Sustainability components. To ensure long-term project includes reusable and durable waste bins, continuous community education, integration into barangay ordinances, partnership with LGU, NGOs, and private groups. These ensure that project goes beyond Kaamulan and supports daily waste management. Expected outcomes. Expected result includes cleaner festival ground, improved waste segregation compliance, stronger community participation, a model waste management program that can be replicated in other barangays. Closing. In conclusion, this project promotes environmental responsibility, community participation, gender inclusivity, and sustainability. By working together, we can ensure a clean, safe, and environmentally responsible Kaamulan Festival. Thank you.